Okay, let's import music. So usually what I use if I want to add some music in the background, I head over to your channel, and then here you should see audio library, and from there you can simply click on here, and I like to select here attribution not required, and then mood something what you want here, select, and then just click on download, and then here just add your music. And now we can grab the song and add it onto our timeline. Now to synchronize and match our music with our video is just very easy. Just listen and see exactly what you see, what you see in the video, and move the audio exactly where you want. For instance, maybe here I want to that for the viewer to hear the music, I can go Control B, so I can crop. You can also click on here. From here you can crop, and you can move exactly the position. Usually I like to use the shortcut Control B. If you press B on your keyboard, you'll select the blade edit mode. And if you select A, this select. If you go B, you can cut this music, and then you can click on A, which is the selection mode, and you can move the song or the audio exactly so you can match. Let's say I would like to add this music here, and exactly at this portion of this video. And if you don't want to hear the audio, but I guess you want to hear the audio while you're scrubbing, like you're moving through the video, you can press Shift S. This will mute the audio if you're wondering. If you click now on audio, and here in inspector, if you don't see inspector, just click here, and now we can increase or decrease the audio. And that's pretty much what you have to do. Now you have also a more detailed tab here. You can add a lot of things you can do here. Pretty much it's very, very powerful, this audio page. But for simple stuff, or just lowering, increasing or decreasing your audio, you can do it from there. So I hope you find, guys, this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.